I've been watching how fast AI is moving into telecom operations, and honestly, 2026 is shaping up to be a completely different kind of year for engineers. We're moving from AI being a nice-to-have novelty to something that quietly sits in the background, powering half the decisions we make. We're talking about tools that take over the repetitive stress, give you clearer insights, and help you work faster, cleaner, and with fewer mistakes. So today, I want to walk you through 5 AI tools that, in my view, every single telecom engineer should be using by 2026. For engineers working in a busy network operations center, this means shorter resolution times and way fewer surprises during peak traffic hours. It also means fewer hours spent digging through raw logs trying to piece together what went wrong. The second tool is predictive maintenance engines. These tools use machine learning models to study the health of all your network equipment. Radios, routers, fiber nodes, power systems. They all produce subtle patterns right before they fail. Think about voltage inconsistencies, rising temperatures, irregular throughput, or even small timing drifts. A predictive maintenance system monitors these behavioral patterns and tells you when something is about to break. Just think about how many outages could be avoided if we replaced equipment before the failure instead of after. This applies to everything from cooling systems to microwave links to backhaul routers. Predictive maintenance doesn't just reduce those shock failures, it cuts operating expenses and helps you plan field visits much more intelligently. Instead of constantly firefighting, engineers can work more proactively, which makes the entire network more stable and reliable. The third tool is AI-enhanced traffic optimization. This is especially important for operators who are struggling with network congestion or uneven utilization. These tools study the flow of traffic across the network and automatically suggest or even apply optimizations on the fly. This could be anything from bandwidth redistribution and cost adjustments to dynamic load balancing or smarter handover tuning. This is the kind of detailed tuning that normally requires deep expertise and hours of manual testing. But with AI, it takes all the real-time traffic data, predicts where overloads will happen, and applies the adjustments instantly. For engineers, this means fewer congestion complaints from customers and a much better user experience during peak hours. If you've ever spent an entire day writing documentation after a long maintenance window, you know exactly how much time this saves. These AI assistants also help junior engineers understand network changes more quickly because the documentation becomes clearer and more consistent. Now, let's talk about how these 5 tools come together. When you combine predictive maintenance, root cause analysis, and traffic optimization, you get a network that is continuously learning from itself. Add in analytics to highlight where your attention is needed, and a documentation assistant to keep everything tidy. And suddenly the NOC feels less like a crisis management center and more like a smooth, controlled operation. It completely transforms the entire experience for both engineers and customers. But it's also really important to acknowledge that AI tools don't replace skill. They amplify it. The engineers who will thrive in 2026 will be the ones who learn how to work alongside these systems. Another factor is skill development. While AI tools are getting more intuitive, telecom teams still benefit from basic training on how to use them effectively. Supervisors and field engineers need to know how to interpret predictions, when to override recommendations, and how to integrate these tools into their existing workflows. And then there's the issue of trust. Engineers sometimes worry that automation will make their jobs irrelevant, but the reality is the opposite. The more complex our telecom networks become, the more valuable skilled engineers are. AI keeps you ahead of the noise, but it doesn't climb towers, mend fiber, interpret environmental patterns, or understand local realities. As we head towards 2026, the operators who adopt these tools early will have more stable networks, happier customers, and smoother operations. They'll also attract top talent, because engineers want to work in environments where they're not buried in repetitive manual tasks. They want to focus on solving real problems, improving performance, and building smarter systems. So, to wrap it all up, the 5 AI tools every telecom engineer should be using by 2026 are AI-powered network analytics, predictive maintenance engines, AI-enhanced traffic optimization, automated root cause analysis, and AI-driven documentation and workflow assistance.